Hello traders, so in this video I am reviewing the Algo Samurai EA for MT4 and I'll walk you through exactly how it behaves, what kind of trading logic it's built on, and what you can realistically expect when you actually put it through proper backtesting. And quickly before we dive in, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. All right, it's a nice option if you want something more flexible alongside what we are looking at here. Now, very important, Algo Samurai EA is designed for MT4. Okay, so you should have the MT4 platform if you desire to use this expert advisor. And the EA is priced at 2079 US dollars, which already places it in the premium category, developed by Abdul Malikul Hanan, and it's positioned as a fully automated system using what they describe as self-adaptive algorithms, right? Self-adaptive algorithms. Okay. And from the description and configuration, we can see that it is optimized mainly for the Euro USD, okay, and USDJPY, okay, and then we can also see that it is optimized for the M30 time frame and is designed for relatively low trading frequency. That's an important detail. This isn't a scalper or a high frequency system, all right. It's more of a selective trading strategy that waits for specific conditions before entering the market. The recommended balance starts from around 100 US dollars, but realistically, based on the way the lot sizing works, a more comfortable range would be between 1,000 to 5,000 US dollars. Now, one of the key things highlighted here is that the EA does not use martingale, grid, or hedging strategies. Instead, it relies on structured entries with stop loss and something called a smart profit lock system. Okay, so now instead of just listing that as a feature, let me explain what that actually means in practice. The smart profit lock is essentially a dynamic exit mechanism. So instead of just setting a fixed take profit and leaving it there, the EA actively adjusts how profits are secured as the trade moves in your favor. So the advantage of that is obvious, right? It allows trades to run longer in trending markets while still protecting gains. But the limitation is that in choppy markets, it can lock profits too early or get stopped out before a larger move develops. Now, beyond that, the EA uses pending order logic with adjustable distance, right, which suggests it is positioning trades slightly away from current price rather than entering immediately. So that's typically done to catch momentum or breakout type movements without entering prematurely. There are also time filters in place, meaning the EA only trades during specific hours, likely to avoid low liquidity sessions or unstable market conditions. So overall, this is shaping up to be a structured rule-based system that balances entry precision with controlled risk management. All right, now let's just quickly move into the back testing because this is where everything starts to make sense. We are going to be testing the Algo Samurai EA on Euro USD M30 time frame. Okay, so just gonna change this to M30 time frame, Euro USD, the Algo Samurai EA. All right, we're gonna be testing from the beginning of this year so that we can get a meaningful performance sample. And as always, longer back tests tend to give a more reliable picture. So let us start. All right. Okay, so we already have our first set of pending orders, placed. Okay, and we can see that multiple, you know, multiple pending orders have already been placed over time. We can see all this, history being displayed, right? Multiple positions have been executed. Pending orders are being set back to back, right? So the EA had already positioned itself at a specific level, waiting for price to reach it. That tells us that it's not chasing price, it's anticipating movement. Okay, so if we take a closer look at the method the EA is using, you see that price is moving with some momentum into the trade. So this confirms that the EA is trying to enter during expansion phase, it's not doing consolidation. Okay, each trade is independent, which is a good sign from a risk management perspective. All right, anyways, we can see that the EA is not the type to hold trades for long. All right, obviously. Um, and it's also being selective, which helps to avoid over trading, but it also means fewer opportunities. Okay, let's just move forward. All right. So the pattern is consistent. Position first, then wait for confirmation through price movement. Okay, and there, trade closes, not necessarily at a fixed take profit, but based on how the profit lock adapts to price behavior. Okay, so now let's just forward toward the end of the back test. All right. So, moments now, we're going to have the results out, and we can analyze the results together, see how the EA performed, you know, over the past 4 months. Okay. So the results are out, and we can see that there was a significant um, decline in the balance. From an initial deposit of $10,000, we can see that the total net profit was negative $6,083, and 34 trades we are taking, 22 were short trades with a 31.82% win rate, 12 were long trades with 25% win rate. The largest profit trade was just $411.84. Largest losing trade was $468. The average profit trade was $159.14, and the average losing trade was $319.8. So this tells me that the risk to reward ratio is bad. We can see that the risk to reward ratio is bad. Okay. Um, okay. So remember that these are just historical backtest results. In as much as the EA performed poorly, it does not necessarily mean that this is a guarantee of the kind of this does not mean that this is the exact kind of future performance that the EA would display. All right, but from what we can observe, the EA produces a not so good equity curve. We can see it's actually a bad equity curve over the duration that we did the back test, right? Over 4 months, the equity curve is not good. Okay, but feel free to backtest over a longer period of time if you are interested in this expert advisor. All right. So, in conclusion, Algo Samurai is a structured low frequency trading system that focuses on precision entries and dynamic profit management. Okay, it's probably performs best in trending or momentum driven markets where trades have room to develop, and it may struggle in choppy or sideways conditions where momentum is limited. So this is not a fast-paced, high-return system, all right? It's more of a disciplined approach. Okay, so if that aligns with your trading style, then it might be worth testing further, to see its performance over a longer period of time across more, diverse market conditions. All right, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.